This right here is a payment that I received of $395 from the SpyFU affiliates program. Just to refresh to show you that this is not any kind of screenshot and this is my live PayPal dashboard. And there you go, you can see I've now refreshed the page with my live dashboard. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here. In this video, I'm super excited to share with you guys the strategy that I use to make money online with SpyFU affiliates and exactly how you can replicate that. So on the screen here, you can see my PayPal account. I have a couple of payments from some personal accounts and sent payments to a few personal accounts. So I have to hide some of the names, but the only one that I will reveal over here is the one where I withdrew the PayPal payment to my local bank account, and the one that I received from the SpyFU affiliates account, which was a commission I received for promoting the affiliates account completely for free. I didn't spend any money on this. You don't need to go and build a social media following. You're not going to be using Facebook or Instagram or YouTube or anything like that. We don't need to produce any content. This is really a unique way of making money online, and I'm not going to waste any time, and we're going to get straight into this. And what I'm going to do is I'm also going to have a giveaway in this video where I'm going to give away a free affiliate marketing course. Well, it is a paid one, but I'm giving it to you. So what you can do is just leave a like on this video. I would really appreciate that. Subscribe down below if you're new, and then leave your best quote down below in the comments, or I might as well just pin the down link to the Google document drive for this course. But without further ado, we're going to get straight into this platform. And the first platform I want to show you guys, and it's important that you follow with me because I'm actually going to explain how it works, because that's super important with this kind of stuff. When it comes to making money online, educating yourself is super important. You can't go and promote something if you don't know how it works or don't know about the tool. So the first tool that I'm going to show you guys is called SpyFU, where you can basically spy, like it says in the word, on competition on Google and Facebook ads. So what you can do is you can go and see what the top competitors are up to, kind of replicate that and replicate their success, whether it's an affiliate offer or whatever kind of product you're promoting. So you can see what does SpyFU do. You can increase your website traffic, so this market recommendations drive clicks to your SEO or AdWords campaigns. You can track your keyword rankings, monitor your paid and SEO rankings on Google, Bing, and Yahoo, and you can make better connections. As networking in business is super powerful. Reliable contact info helps you build partnerships and generates sales leads. PPC competitor research. So what you can do is you can actually search for a competitor, see every keyword they've ever bought on Google and every ad they've tested. So you can make their success your own and avoid the mistakes that they've made. So it is super powerful. You can see everything that you get here. It is a really unique tool, especially if you are into paid traffic, analyzing competitors and beating them. So you can see here, research competitors, SEO keywords, spy on your SEO competition, keywords group analysis, three-way competitor, complete keyword ranking history, custom branded SEO client reports, influencer marketing, social outreach for backlinks, track your SEO keyword rankings. There is so much this tool can offer. That's why I'm just quickly running you through this, because it's important that you understand all of this before we go out there and use what I used to go and promote this and earn that $395. So what we're going to do is, don't stress, we're not going to go and buy this tool ourselves. You don't have to take any money out of your card or any money out of your wallet. This is all for free. All you need to do is just continue scrolling down to the bottom of this website. Over here, you're going to see, if I just zoom in a bit, right at the bottom, there's this big tab that says affiliates. So you want to click on the affiliates tab. Let me just zoom back out. It's going to take you to the SpyFU affiliate program. My favorite thing about these kind of affiliate programs, passive and reoccurring income. So the $395 that I made today, I'm going to make next month, reoccurring, more money on that, commissions on that the month after that, because it is 40% payout for life, reoccurring commission. That means every single month, because SpyFU is a monthly paid program. So you can refer 2 clients the first month, 2 clients the next month. You're then going to have 4 clients paying you every single month. So you can build that up, and that's how you build up a big stream of income over time, is through affiliate marketing, through a membership program. So you can see 3 simple steps on how to get started. All you're going to do is sign up, simple to get started, use simple links so you can send visitors to SpyFU with whatever way you're going to promote, but make sure to keep watching to use the way that I used, and they will credit you a recurring commission for that, and you can earn money. So as your first link converts, sit back and enjoy the dividends. And all you're going to do is you're going to click on start earning every month. You're going to sign up with your name, email, password. You're going to verify your email, and they will then approve your account. And this is what you're going to get. You're going to get 40% in monthly recurring commissions, as I explained, and also very powerful, a 365-day tracking cookie, meaning if someone clicks on your link, and maybe they click off your link now, And within 365 days, if they ever come back to SpyFU and they purchase a package, you're still going to get a commission off of them. So it's a really great way of really increasing conversion rates, and you get paid twice a month. So SpyFU pays twice a month through PayPal or wire transfer. So if PayPal is not accepted in your country, wire transfer means directly to your bank in whatever country you are. So as you can see here, the numbers are in your favor. True passive income, their customers stick around with a 4% churn rate, which is meaning the customers really leave this tool. So the conversion rate and the churn rate for this tool is very high, much higher than that of the average. And with an average conversion rate of 2.5%, it is optimized to convert your affiliate traffic. So this is why I like this tool. It converts well, it keeps people on the program. So your commissions are going to be much higher and last a lot longer with a high quality tool, just like SpyFU. One more quick thing before we get into this, I just want to quickly show you what you can earn. So just quickly come over to the pricing tab over here. You're going to see the 3 plans. Let's work this out. If you're earning 40% on these monthly plans, let's take, for example, the professional plan. So let's open up my calculator. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go for $79 a month. So let's go 79 times 40%. That's $31.60 that you're going to get every single month. So what you can do is, if you get one sign up a month, you're going to make $31 in a day. So what you can do is you can make a goal of this. I always like to set goals and teach you how to set goals, and because it's a very great way of getting a good mindset with this. So if you go 31 times 60, 31.60, and you sign up 5 people in a month, that's times 5, you're going to be making an extra $150 a month. This is a great goal to achieve, or a great goal to try and go for. And eventually then if you get another 5 clients, we times this by 2, this is now 10 clients paying you, you are getting paid $320 a month on 10 clients completely passively. And remember, 1 or 2 clients might sign up on the big plan. So $299 times 40% is now $119 per person that you're earning on just the big team plan. So people might buy the different plans, so your commissions will vary depending on which plan they choose. So now that we understand what we're going to earn, we need to go and figure out how to earn this in the exact strategy that I've been doing. Now, this is not going to include spamming this link everywhere. It's actually targeted at people looking for this tool. So what you want to do is come over to this website called infinitesuggest.com, where you can enter a keyword and find people on Google running ads for the specific keyword, trying to promote their product, their service in any different niche, whatever it may be. So let's, for example, type in clothing as our keyword. We're going to type in clothing. We're going to click on get this party started to do the research on the different keyword. You can see here clothing and sales, clothing websites, clothing vendors. What I'm going to do is I'm going to right click, copy clothing vendors. I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to go search this in my town. And what you want to do is you want to scroll around until you can find ads, like an ad. Okay, that's not works. Let's go, for example, clothing and sales. I'm going to go search this in Google. And here we go. Here you can see a couple of companies or websites such as Shane.com, which is obviously a clothes shop, high quality clothing. By this one over here, these guys are all running ads on Google, which is a good thing because they are obviously wanting to promote the product or the website. So what you actually want to do is you want to open up, let's say just 2 of these. You can click on the ads, open up their websites. You'll see this one over here. Okay, quite actually a very professional site. This is the menu bar. You want to click on the menu bar. You want to come over to the contact us page. Okay, we can just close this. And here you can see, please, if you have any concern regarding our product, services, or navigation of a store, do not hesitate to reach out. So you can see the email is over here, which is perfect. So what you can do is you can click on the email, copy it. You can either open up something like gmail.com, and I'm actually going to type out a script for you guys. So what you want to type to them when you are emailing them. Okay, so I quickly typed out this message. I just quickly skipped because it would take a while for me to record my screen while typing this. I just said here, and I will leave this message in the pinned comment of this video. Hi there, I found your online website on the 2nd page of Google. I found this tool that will help you analyze the SEO tricks that your competitors are using to rank on the #1 page of Google so that you can leverage the info, spy on their success to rank ahead of your competition, which will ultimately lead to a lot more traffic and potential customers coming through the door of your business. For more info on this tool, visit here. So again, you're providing a potential solution to this business to beat the competition, to get more sales, to get more customers through the door. I mean, what business doesn't want that? You just here emailing them. They're not spending anything with you yet. And then all you're going to do is leave your affiliate link to this tool. But now remember, this is one of literally 1 million websites in 1 million different niches. So the amount of businesses that you can go and do this with is infinite. I mean, I just use clothing. There is literally so many different shops and niches that you can use around the world to go and provide this tool. Here's another website that I used here, which was this one here called this Above Apparel, or one of these, the Gardner Fashionable Clothing. You can see here they have a contact us page. They even have a number and an email. So what you can do is you can go and email them through the email address, use the same message, use the same template, and go and provide this tool out there, give value, just like this message that I've got over here. And this, I think, is the perfect template for that. And you will go and get commissions online with this. Even if you go and message 100 people a day, even if just 2 of them convert, as you saw, 2.5% conversion rate, that is well over $60 a day, just using free traffic, sitting down for about an hour a day, getting this message out there. And that's literally all I've been doing, is just contacting businesses around the world, using this message, providing value, and eventually getting more and more commissions online with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a playlist here on the screen, more about affiliate marketing and strategies like this. If you want to go and learn more about that, master affiliate marketing, and build a big income online with affiliate marketing, I've got a free course in a playlist on YouTube. So there's no paid course or anything like that. It's all here on YouTube for free, earning minimum revenue just with YouTube ad revenue instead of charging for it. So you're welcome to go and check out this playlist over here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to really release an amazing video for tomorrow as well. So make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you that message tomorrow when I upload that video. But without further ado, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.